It's a tough pill to swallow when it's revealed that the very companies we trust to help us save money might actually be taking advantage of us. One company that has garnered significant attention for all the wrong reasons is Honey, a browser extension that promises to find the best discounts for online shoppers. But as we dig deeper, the truth about their business practices begins to paint a very different picture. I'm about to explain to you everything you need to know about how this Honey scam actually worked and the genius behind this fraud. So here we go. Basically, Honey is a browser extension that's supposed to find you the absolute best coupon codes automatically. So you install the extension, and then from now on, whenever you go to buy something, it automatically tells you if there's a better coupon code you can apply to save more money. And Honey got some of the biggest influencers in the world to market this product, like Marquez Brownlee, Mr. Beast, you name it. But what's ironic here is the very people that they got to promote the product were actually hurt most by the scam that Honey pulled off. The reason for that is because a lot of these influencers make their money through affiliate marketing. This basically means that if you buy a product through one of their links in the description, they get a commission since they referred you to the sale. But here's the thing. Most affiliate links work through something called last click attribution. This means that you don't have to be any of the other links that the person clicked on except for the very last link before the person buys. So if someone clicks my link but doesn't actually buy the product and then later goes to someone else's affiliate link and then buys the product, the second person or the last person before the purchase gets given 100% of the affiliate commission. And this is exactly what Honey did. Right before checkout, it would search for the absolute best coupon codes for you to save money. And while it did this, it would replace whoever the other person's affiliate link is with their own affiliate link. So basically taking all the work that the creator did to actually advertise, promote the product, and ultimately refer the person to it, and taking 100% of the commission. And the worst part is they still took this commission even when they didn't find a coupon code. So if it was a product that literally they didn't find any discounts for, they still would replace it with their affiliate link and make commission for the referral even though they didn't actually refer the person. They were just the last person to get the link there before checkout, but as if this wasn't scummy enough, Honey also completely lied about trying to find the absolute best discount codes so that you can save more money. In fact, they were actually caught working with businesses to purposely limit the amount of coupon codes that Honey shows so that businesses can prevent people from coupon hunting on the internet and fool them into believing they've gotten the best discount, even when a better discount actually does exist on the internet. And Honey is purposely withholding that and making the customer think that they've already got the best one so they don't do more research and actually figure out what the best one is. This is how Honey was able to simultaneously have a good value propositions to customers and businesses, but they're now getting exposed for this, and they pretty much had pulled this off on people for like 5 years and no one even noticed. So yeah, that's how the Honey fraud worked. Thanks so much for watching.